What's up with y'all? It's JD, travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. Today's video, I just wanted to touch on the topic of George Floyd and talk about everything that's going on with that. I want to make this video as brief and as quick as possible, so what I want to start off with is just rest in peace to that brother George Floyd. It was fucked up that the brother had to get killed like that. Disturbing images. It's always disturbing when you see somebody getting killed by the police. But what I wanted to get into is that we need to take action on a daily basis and in a few certain ways. And this is just kind of just another one of those things that I preach on this channel, or I just preach in general life in terms of being consistent with holding yourself to certain standards and holding people around you to certain standards. And what I mean by that is that we need to take action on a daily basis in terms of not letting things slide. And when people practice racism, whether it's micro racism, whether it's the subtle racism, whether it's in your face, overt, any of it, you got to check people and you got to stop them in their tracks. So I'm seeing a lot of people who are not black who I'm seeing a lot of people who are not black who are making posts online on, I don't have a Facebook, or I do have a Facebook, but I never check it. And I do have an Instagram. So I'm seeing most of the shit I'm seeing is on Instagram. So I'm seeing a lot of people who are not black who are making posts online, basically in support of George Floyd, which is cool, but at the same time, a lot of this is disingenuous activism. What they're doing is, right now, it's in vogue to support black people because it's just popular at the time. You know what I mean? It's in vogue to say Black Lives Matter, all this type of stuff. But on a regular basis, these same people are making posts on social media depicting black people in stereotypical fashion, like a lot of these memes do, where they are reposting these hip-hop things with this new style of hip-hop where these dudes don't talk about shit except for using drugs and all this old emotional shit, which is some garbage ass music. I'm gonna say that straight up. I don't listen to none of this. I don't listen to none of this new age hip-hop shit. I don't. If you hear anything on my channel, it's either some beats or it's some hip-hop artists I do fuck with. But like I was saying, these people perpetuate a lot of this shit, and they follow these Instagram pages, hood fights and ratchet shit and all, you know what I mean? Like, I don't never watch none of that shit because that's some garbage, you know what I mean? But people are actually watching this shit, so they're taking all that shit in, being brainwashed and thinking that's what black culture is. So that's, by them supporting that type of content and by them spreading that type of content, that's a racist act right there, in my view. And that's something that they might not even be cognizant that they're doing. But like I was saying, check all that shit. Make sure that you check people when they do that shit, especially if they're gonna be on here posting some shit about rest in peace George Floyd and all this other Black Lives Matter shit, which is a whole nother topic. But I would recommend that every black man who's watching this video go ahead and go to Black Lives Matter website and take a look at their mission statement and see if you think that Black Lives Matter is really got your back, or really about helping black men and, you know what I mean, all that type of, just peep out some of their videos with some of their leaders talking, and then peep out their mission statement. But anyways, back to Black Lives Matter. Well, actually, let me stay on this subject. Black Lives Matter is a catchy phrase, so I can see why a lot of people are easily, follow behind this shit. But like I said, fact check and be a leader. You should be leading your own charge. You got to make sure that you check people on site when they pull some of that slick shit, and also when you're at work, let people know as well. Check people at your job. Check people, because man, I work in my work environment. People be saying racist shit on a regular basis. I check them on a regular basis. I may not do it in a like super stern manner like I would have do all these things build up, and we get frustrated about all these. We get frustrated about all these racist things that happen to us in our day-to-day lives. And then when something big like this happens, we just boil over in emotion, and our emotion isn't really channeled in the right way. We haven't been planning things out. We haven't been plotting or anything like that. And that's what we need to be doing more of, making plans, setting goals, plotting on ways to change things in a way that would stick, not a protest. That, for the most part, the people who I'm seeing in these protests are not even black, and definitely not black men. And also, I would say that the solution starts with us, you know what I mean? We're the ones who have to make the difference. And that starts with yourself, and that starts with getting yourself right. Because you can't make any change in the world unless you make a change in yourself anyway. So I would suggest everybody get on their purpose, get on mission, get yourself in the best shape as possible, get your mind in the best shape as possible, read, work out, eat right, fast, think, meditate, you know what I mean? Think positive thoughts, set goals, and speak all your goals into existence. But anyways, y'all, that's pretty much it. I might do a part 2 on this video, but I gotta go play some pool in a few minutes. So I might do a part 2, but that's pretty much it on what I wanted to say. If I think of anything else, I might make a part 2 video. I'll holler at y'all later. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I know my opinion might not be the most popular on this subject. Like I said before, rest in peace, George Floyd, and all the other brothers who get killed by police, because there's a lot of other brothers that get killed by police too, and you don't know nothing about them. So, like, this is just, the media just happened to make this one extremely popular for whatever reason, maybe because it was on video, or I'm not sure. But, like I said, rest in peace, that brother. That's just my take on the whole disingenuous activism. If you agree, then that's great. If you disagree, you know, you're entitled to your opinion as well. That's it for today's video, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.